Hi, I'm Mike Porte. I'm the Compact Equipment Manager for Brandeis Machinery and Power Equipment. So the Takeuchi line we've had for some time now. It's a very diverse line. It takes anything from a 6,000 pound compact track loader up to a 12,000 pound. They also have the mini excavator line, anything from our TB16 and one below up to a TB20 150, a 38,000 pound machine. We're out here today, we're showcasing our Takeuchi line along with some technology solutions that we have. So we have our partners out here from Level Best and Topcon to help with anything from creating flat pads with lasers to digging ditches with 3D GPS. We have indicate systems, anything in between.
So we've got a TL10 Takeuchi skid steer with a Level Best PD96 box blade on it. And we've got that attachment equipped with Topcon's 2D MC Mobile setup. We've also got a TL12 Takeuchi skid steer that's equipped with Level Best's GB108 grater blade attachment. And that one has fully automatic 3D GPS equipment on it. And then we have a Takeuchi TB290 mini excavator with an LPS indicate system on it.
My name is Jerry Donahue. I'm with Level Best Corporation. We're out here to show that we're a professional company to work with these big partners, but we also have a very good support line. We have, and our sales partners out there know this, we're the easiest to work with. We have 2 grease points on our machine, probably about once a month. Outside of that, everything that has any wearing components is a composite, nylon composite gibs, which don't wear. We can slope, we can do pitch. The ROI on these is huge. One job will pay for itself.
My name is Derek Herring. I'm with Holster Incorporated. We're with another brand right now and just looking at options that we have available, and happy to be out here. I learned that you guys make some pretty good equipment. It's comfortable, it's functional, and I'm interested in it. So we'd be more efficient. I believe have less downtime with failures, and at the end of the day, just more profitable.
We're currently just renting one. We're here to look at buying some, but we're renting them now. We really like the machines. They're just nice machines. The cabs are nice. There's plenty of room in them. You know, the comfort in them, that's a big deal to me, but machines have good power and good fuel economy. I like the Takeuchi.
We do a little bit of everything with compact equipment, as far as unloading trucks to grade work to just as a utility machine. Yes, we actually, most of our mini excavators are all Takeuchi, and we currently own right around about 14 Takeuchi skid steers. Biggest thing that guys that like about it is how the window can actually fold up, so you can actually run it with the window up or window down as far as talking to grade guys on the ground as far as your laborers.
So our work is primarily, like I said, natural resource construction. So a lot of times we're in sensitive areas where they don't want a lot of disturbance. We're around wetlands, around riparian corridors where we can't or not allowed to disturb more areas than what's defined. So being able to utilize a small footprint machine and still get a good cut with it, that's a value to us.
I was coming out here to look out the box blades and the dozer blade or push blade attachments for skid steers, and something to actually consider, you know, out for what we do out in the field, and maybe hopefully be able to see one out there. The GPS system is great because that's pretty much all we're running into nowadays. I'm not gonna give up the opportunity to come out, run something different, you know, figure out what's coming out new, or, you know, things that they could adjust on, or, you know, letting them know, you know, hey, I like this, but I don't like this, and just trying to figure out something that's operator friendly for everybody, that everybody will enjoy out in the field.
Basically, we came out here today to kind of not only get a feel for the Takeuchi equipment as a whole, but also to see where Topcon was with their Level Best system integration. It was nice, you know, I had talked to a couple salesmen of Brandeis in the past, and always, you know, thought it would be neat to have some sort of demo day, and for them to do this with Takeuchi equipment and the Level Best system, I thought it was really nice, really neat, and yeah, I look forward to more of them.
Just looking forward to moving forward and getting these pieces added to our arsenal, and I think got nothing but the best going forward. Yeah, this compared to a competitive brand, definitely makes a difference. Again, this one seems to be much more visible, much more visibility around it, solid, got great power, so everything that you're looking for.
I'm new with Brandeis. My partner here, he's been with Brandeis for a few years, so he's trying to get me involved with him too. So, real nice group of guys. He really enjoys working with them. I'm looking forward to working with some more too. So, yeah, good group of guys.
Brandeis Machinery and I go way back. I've known a lot of guys that actually are in the maintenance field here at Brandeis back in the days when we worked together back at John Deere years ago. So I've been dealing with Brandeis for close to 25 years just myself, and as far as the maintenance side of it, they're Johnny on the spot when we need anything, and the sales and service is been on point.
Very good company, definitely coming up in the world, and with what they have to offer, plus the Komatsu name, I think really sets them apart from a lot of people.
Oh, they're a good company, a good set of guys that come out, and anytime I have a question, I can call these guys up, and they pretty much either can explain it on the phone or they stop what they're doing or whatever and come out to me.
It's great. Very rarely can you come out and sit on multiple pieces of machinery, especially with GPS, LPS setups that we don't have and I wouldn't be able to otherwise. So that's really cool. I mean, it's a good way to sell it so you can really see the value in it.
Instead of just somebody telling me what the equipment is, I can feel how it digs in the dirt, I can see what it does, and yeah, I can witness it myself.
We've had a lot of luck so far. Everybody who's been out and saw our setup out here has been happy so far, and seem to like what they see and have been pretty impressed with the equipment, it seems like. We plan to do a few more of these throughout the upcoming month. Just appreciate everybody that comes out and sees what we got to offer, and I hope everybody gets to take away something from it.